Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rayville, local and long-distance movers near me. Without planning an efficient team, long-distance shifts become a tedious task and consume time. Moreover, movers require certain permits and licenses, which are also difficult to gather otherwise. So it's always a better option to hire professional movers, 3 Movers. Being a oldest moving firm, we have expertise in handling long-distance shifts and also have a good working relationship with the local federal association. So they can provide us with legal permits and licenses to carry across state or country lines and complete a long-distance or international shift. Additionally, we provide insurance on products that are shifted through us, meaning in any case of wear and tear, the damage will be borne by us without any extra charge. Most of the time when moving locally, we prefer not to hire professional movers, which can be the worst decision for you. However, whether local or long distance and the shifting process is the same, hiring a professional mover like 3 Movers is always recommended. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Rayville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.